Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Janelle for those of you that don't know, and I haven't been on YouTube in like 5 months, which is kind of insane. But I've been so busy with like school and work and all that stuff, I literally just haven't had time. But I am back, hopefully, and what better way to be back than with a BOXYCHARM video. I am going to be unboxing this bad boy. This is the October 2018 BOXYCHARM box, and this is the Alter Ego. That's the theme of this month. And for those of you always asking me in the comments, I usually do write back the weight of this box, but the box itself doesn't have the weight. It just says PS lightweight, and I didn't get a tracking for this, so I really have no way to like tell you guys how much it weighed, and I don't really have a scale, so I'm sorry about that. But let's just move on and get right into this month's unboxing. So I'm sorry for the way I look, but there's a lot of products in here, and I wanted to make sure that I didn't have on too much makeup that I couldn't try things on. So I literally just have foundation and concealer on, and my eyebrows, of course. First thing you see when you open the box is this little card, which I'm loving these inserts. Like, they just, like, the way they fold. Like, look how cool that is. So this month's theme is Alter Ego, like I said before. And we have 5 products in this month's box. And I will read off of these when I like get to the product. We also get a 10% off your next purchase for IT Cosmetics. I just bought... Literally yesterday I bought from IT Cosmetics. I'm so upset. Anyways... So you get a 10% off coupon on this little insert. And let's jump into the products. So, first thing I'll grab is this. This is the Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Obviously, I cannot try this on right now because I have a lot of makeup on. Well, not like a lot. But I have enough to not put on a peel off mask. You know what I mean? So I am going to try this because I love peel-off masks. It says Intense Exfoliating Facial Mask with Compression Lace Support. So you put on like the cream first, and then it has like this lace mask that you put on for the compression. And then you peel it off. Interesting. Okay, this mask is $30. It retails for $30. And it's from Dermovia. $30. Okay, next. So we have the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm from Pharmacy, and I am so excited about this. I'm always one of those kind of people that like, I really want something, but I'm like, I kind of don't want to spend money on it though. So I kind of just hope it comes in a BOXYCHARM, and this was one of the items that I like hoped would come in the BOXYCHARM, and it did. And it's like BOXYCHARM in my mind because my skin has been breaking out so bad, and I've been looking for like new cleansers because the one I was using was just not working. So hopefully this works, and I'll have to spend my money on it. The cult favorite makeup cleansing balm melts away the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long-wearing makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. Next up, we have this right here. This is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Vampira. And this retails for $20. This color in this insert looks so pretty, but I didn't get that color. And I am not a dark lip person, so I'm probably not going to wear this. And my best friend is actually, yeah. No, I'm never going to wear this. Oh. But I've heard really good things about Kat Von D. I'm kind of bummed that I got this color. I know a lot of people that would look really good in this color. Like my best friend, she loves wearing dark lips. But I'm just not one of those people. But it does feel really nice when I swatched it. It's like really smooth. I just wish I had a different color. But I will give it to someone that will make use out of it. Let me go wash my hand. Alright, I washed my hand. I'm back. It's still kind of stained. But I've been washing it for a bit. So the next thing in the box is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. And I've been needing a new mascara because I'm running out of my old one, but I don't want to let it go. And yeah. This is $24. It's... I'm like out of breath. I'm talking way too fast. Hold on. So, this looks pretty good. I mean, look at the picture right there. You see her eyelashes? Anyways, the last product in the box. So this is the Pure Complexion Authority Midnight Masquerade palette. This 10-piece face palette will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. This limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look you'll totally adore. Making a bold statement has never been easier with 4 shimmery face powders. Okay. And 6 buttery eyeshadows that complement all skin tones and eye colors. So are they all shimmery? Let's open this up. I don't want to judge it before I open it. If you guys have watched my BOXYCHARM videos before, you know how much I hate this little tape on the side. I can literally never get it off. Hold on. Okay, that's not what I wanted. So when you open it, it's like a little book. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so these are the 10 shades. There's a little mirror right here. Oh my god, there's tape inside of this. So, this comes with 9 shimmers and 1 matte. Okay, we're gonna test this out, so let me move everything so we can get to testing the products. I'm gonna prime my eyes and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I've decided I'm gonna do like a pinky purpley look. So I'm gonna go in with the Zodiac palette from Kathleen Lights and Color Pip. I'm gonna go into a few palettes, not even gonna lie. And I'm gonna take the Libra just to put it in my crease. This is probably the only color I'm taking from this palette. Alright, now that we went in with that, I'm going to go in. This is called Get Out from ColourPop. So it's this shade right here. It's like a deep pink, kind of on the purple side. And just deepening up that crease a little bit. Okay, now that that's done, I am going to go into this palette and I'm going to take this dark brown color called Sneak Peek. I'm going to get a smaller brush and just darken my outer corner up. It smells kind of like chocolate, but like a weird chocolate. Not like a good type of chocolate, like a, I don't know. It's like one of those chocolate, like, ooh, I know what it smells like. This smells like, you know those lip glosses, not lip glosses, like those lip balms that came out that were like scented, like the Hershey scented one and all that. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. That's what it smells like. That's exactly what it smells like. Alright, so now that I have that, I'm going to take the purple color called Disguise, and I'm just going to put that on my finger and place that on the inner corner of my eyelid. I think this is more of a transition palette. Like if you're wearing a daytime look and you want to transition to a nighttime look, you use this palette. And I mean, the colors are beautiful. Let me swatch them. I didn't swatch them. I mean, that looks pretty nice. That was a terrible swatching job. I'm so sorry. I'm just very impatient. But, I mean, that looks pretty good. I like the palette. I'm going to go in now with this shade as my bronzer. Which I'm not loving the fact that it's shimmery, but let's see. Don't like the way that sits on my face. I kind of feel like I look sunburned. Yeah, I definitely don't like that as a bronzer. It's like patch. No, I don't like that. I mean, I don't like it on my skin tone. It might look pretty on other skin tones. I'm not the biggest fan. It's kind of patchy for me right here, if you can see it. But let's continue. We're going to go in with Hidden Secret for the blush. I'm also Okay. I don't like it. This, this blush is very, I don't even, again, maybe you might like it, but this is my opinion, and I really don't like this, but, and this is gonna be too dark for me, but it's a disaster already, so might as well just try it. We're gonna go with Twilight for my highlight. Ooh, that rhymed. Okay. So this is a little too dark for me, but it's nice. I'm gonna go in with the superhero mascara that we got, and I really like the shape of this. Like, this is nice. I don't know. It's like not traditional, I guess. I'm fascinated by things that are different. I'm not in love with the wand, but like I said, don't judge a book by its cover. Let's see how this thing works. This is what my lashes look like. I do like this mascara. It makes my eyelashes look really long. The only thing I don't like is because the wand is so like thin and sparse, like it doesn't really do a great job of separating my lashes. If you can tell, they kind of look thinner, but I do overall look like I do overall like how my lashes look. I just wish I can like make them look fuller, but it's fine. I'm just gonna finish off with my lips. Alright guys, so this is the finished look that I did with most of the products in the BOXYCHARM. And let's see how much... Oh, I almost dropped everything. And oh my gosh. And I don't know if I told you how much this cost, but this retailed for $38, just like I didn't say it. So this month's box retailed for $134, which is still a great deal because you pay $25 a month. I am very excited for some of the items in this month's box. Not so excited about the face products for this palette, but I am very excited for these shimmer shades. I really like this silver and this purple and this blue. This blue's really nice too. Maybe I'll be adventurous and play with some green. I'm gonna stay away from this side of the palette, just in my opinion. I'm not too fond of how it made my face look. I mean, it looks better once I set everything, but it's not my favorite. I have more options, but I am so excited to try this out. I'm literally gonna try this as soon as the video is done, just to like clean away everything. You like can't even see my scrunchie. Like, what's the point of having it if you can't see it? I also really like how this eye look turned out. It's not typically me, but I'm feeling it. I like it a lot. I'd probably wear it out again. And I'm overall pleased with this month's box. I'm glad I got it. This box was sent to me from BOXYCHARM, so if you guys want to see more about what it is to be a boxy babe, which is what I am, I will leave the video that I filmed about that in the little eye. I don't know what corner it's in, but it's in one of the corners. So click that if you wanted more information about what a boxy babe is. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so down below. And click that little bell to be notified every time I post. Even though I haven't posted, I will be posting soon. I promise. I will be getting back into my YouTube game. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.